Hi guys, Mike Troll, Amsoil dealer 146-3115. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that you can get Amsoil at the best possible price. So guys, if you would, please hit that like button early. If you want to support the channel, that's a huge help. Also subscribe if you're new. Trying to make 1,000 subscribers this year in 2022, and I'm well on the way. And so, without further ado, let's jump into it. Way number 5. So first of all, of the 5 ways, 3 of them are going to be more for the high volume user. Way number 2 is going to tie in with those. And way number 1, make sure to stick around to the end, because method number 1 is going to be the best method for probably 90% of you out there to get your Amsoil at the best possible price. So without further ado, way number 5 is the retail on the shelf account. And this account is for retailers, as the name would suggest. So perhaps you own a motorcycle shop or a speed shop and you want to carry Amsoil on your shelf. Or you own a quick lube or a garage and you want to sell on your shelf and or install the products for people. You're going to want to buy them at wholesale, obviously, and then you're going to sell them at retail. So the Amsoil retail on the shelf account gives you the wholesale pricing. You've got the free shipping. At this point, at the date of this video, I think it's $400. $400, you get free shipping. That had changed recently, and of course that's subject to change in this economy with prices and inflation. Things are crazy, but so yeah, that's way number 1. There's also no fee for that account. Definitely reach out to me. I'll have my links down below in the first comment. And that's going to be the best way to support the channel. You can go to those links and sign up for any of these accounts I'm going to talk about directly, or you can reach out to me and I can help you. And those links down below will give me the credit. I'll be your Amsoil dealer, and then that way you're supporting the channel. On to way number 4 is the commercial account, which is similar in that it's for can be for large volume users, but the commercial account, you are an end user. For example, your business uses and consumes these products in their equipment or vehicles. It could be a city government. It could be a fleet of any type. You don't have to be a 50 truck fleet to be an Amsoil commercial account. Small business owners, small fleets make up a lot of the Amsoil commercial account business. So basically, if you're an end user, you would be a commercial account. If you want to resell the products, you could do the retail on the shelf account. And both of these are free. There's no annual fee. There's no fee to set this account up. Just go down below to the links in my first comment or reach out to me directly and we can get you set up with that. You're going to get the wholesale pricing and the free shipping, again, over $400, I think it is at this time, which is a really nice feature. So on to way number 3 is going to be become an Amsoil dealer yourself. And so why doesn't everybody just become an Amsoil dealer and get the best price on it? Well, there is the $50 annual fee, and so the Amsoil dealer opportunity is certainly available to everyone, but it might not be right for everyone. First of all, you've got the fee. It's designed for people who want to use but also sell the products. And there's multiple channels that you can sell the products as an Amsoil dealer. You can do it retail face-to-face. You can do it through web links, like where I'm trying to get you to go to my links down below that link directly to Amsoil. There's also any number of these accounts that I'm sharing with you are other ways to sign up customers under yourself as an Amsoil dealer. But if you wanted to become an Amsoil dealer under me, that would give you the best possible price on the products. Again, you've got the annual fee, but you also have the chance to earn commissions based on the volume of your monthly sales. Amsoil is also rolling out a brand new compensation plan that's going to be a lot simpler to understand than the old system, and that's coming out this October. So very soon we will have a much simpler compensation plan on all new business. All old business will still be under the legacy plan, as it's called. But basically, the more volume you do, the more accounts you have signed up with you that are active and doing volume, that all adds to your monthly commission. So it can be right for you if you have an entrepreneurial mindset and you want to start something. And definitely reach out to me or check out the links below down there in that first comment. So don't want to drag this out too long, so I will jump on to method number 2 to save on Amsoil. And like I said at the beginning, it's going to tie in with the 3 methods that I've already talked about. And way number 2 to save on Amsoil is purchase discounts. Now, each of those accounts before that I mentioned has a certain level where you will get purchase discounts. And they are cumulative throughout the year. So there's a way to kind of build credit even with the retail account for co-op help from Amsoil with like displays and marketing tools and posters, banners, things of that nature. And as a commercial account also with purchase discounts, and as a dealer as well. I mean, we're talking, larger amounts here, but it can make sense if you're at that level and you're going to be moving or selling that amount of product. So those are the first 4 I wanted to go over. So again, let's recap real quick before we get to the number 1 way. So way number 5 to save on Amsoil, retail on the shelf accounts. Way number 4, commercial account. Way number 3, become an Amsoil dealer. Way number 2, take advantage of purchase discounts and or co-op promotions on any of the aforementioned accounts. And way number 1, this is going to be for most of you out there, is going to be the Amsoil Preferred Customer Program. And I saved this one for last because I think it's number 1 for like I said, for most of you out there. If you've got 1 or 2 cars, you've got maybe an ATV, you've got a boat, I mean, you're not buying, gigantic drums of oil, but at the same time, you're going to be buying maybe a case or 2 of oil a year, a few filters, some fuel additives, and you find out all Amsoil has to offer, and it really starts to make sense for you. So the preferred customer membership does have a small fee associated with it. So it's $20 for an annual membership, and there's no obligation to continue it. Let's say after a year you want to let it go. Actually, there's a 6-month version for $10, so you can try it out, and you can always just let it expire and go back to purchasing your Amsoil products at retail if you don't feel like it's worth it. But I'm telling you guys, you do the $10 or the $20 even for a full year. If you order an oil change for your car and a filter, maybe a bottle of fuel additive, you're saving that $20 literally on the first order. And then anything you order after that, throughout that 12 months, is going to be at the preferred customer prices, which is about 25% off of retail. So it's a nice savings, somewhere around $2 to $3 a quart, I would say, is what it ends up being. And that's going to be the best way. There's also discounts and promos for your birthday. Sorry guys, I'm at the shop just trying to take advantage of some downtime, but absolutely check out the links down below, and that preferred customer or whatever you choose is going to be the best thing. My dealer number is 146-3115, and God bless you. And I'll tack on the verse of the day at the end. I did want to share that, but I got to get moving here at the shop. Thank you.